Okay, not much room for you to see what's happening here. We've got 8mm socket on the back pin. We have to crack that, whacking it off. You just do it with your hand. Yep, it should come. We'll get that in a minute. A 6mm Allen key on this front. Oof, it's tight. Just give it a wee tweak to tighten that first, and then see if it'll come. Oh yeah, bugger. Nope. Have to abandon that. Try socket. I wonder why that's so tight. Bent that Allen key. Yep. Don't have any WD-40 to hand. This caliper should slide back and forward. I'll just try and push it in. There is some copper slip on this. There is some copper slip on the pin. And we should be rubbing these down with a wee bit 600 grit copper slip them up before they go back in. So maybe just save this for another day. It's a bit rough. That one out. Need that one in. So we caliper forward. Front one out. Front one out. Front one in. We need to make sure that it gets hooked up. Hooked up. Both hooked up. We'll give that a wee paint with. Give it a little paint with copper slip at a later date. don't know why you need to slacken that off anyway. This caliper goes back and forward. Just a wee nip up. Tight. A wee quarter turn, that'll do.